नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear student, assalamu alaikum. Today is a very nice day. We have discussed different part of the sentence. Among these we have discussed types of noun, what is noun, and now we are discussing the pronoun. In pronoun we have discussed only four types: possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. But today we want to discuss two other types of pronoun. Now come to the board. There you have knowledge that demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. But first it is necessary for us to take a start from the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun indicates some points. The point is as nearest. Then we use this for singular, things. Things, while these are used for plural things. This used for singular and these are used for plural. If the things are on more distance, then that is used for singular form, while those are used for plural things. And nouns. So now you are clear. Demonstrative pronoun are those pronoun which indicate some point when the point and the things are nearest. So there we use this for singular and these for plural. But if the thing is away on more distance, so we use that is for singular form and those are used for plural form. Example: This is a book. These are books. That is a book. Those are books. Books. So now you are clear. There is this for singular form use, and when the things are in yes position. And when the things are more there, we use these. These are books. And when the things are more on distance, there we use the that. And when the things are in singular, there we use the that. But when the things are plural, then we use the those. So now you are clear. The situation is okay, what as demonstrative pronoun and where demonstrative pronoun are used. So it is necessary for you to exercise again and again and learn the demonstrative pronoun and use in day-to-day life. For example, if the thing is away, you use that, and when the thing is nearest, so there we use this. Now we come to interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are those pronouns where we ask some question for unknown thing. If the thing is not known, so there we use this type of pronoun. Interrogative pronoun which we used for asking question. There, what, who, which, whose, etc. are used. So now you clear that interrogative pronoun are those pronouns there you ask some question from someone which is unknown. For example, what is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? Second, who are you? तुम कौन हो? Whose pen is this? ये पेन किसका है? In which class do you read? आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो? Now you are clear. These are that type pronoun which are used for asking question. So interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun we have discussed. Now you are clear. but the exercise of these pronouns is necessary. If you ask question from someone, there we will use the interrogative pronoun. But where we indicate to some point, if the nearest, there we nearest or away and more distant, there we demonstrative pronoun are used. Please subscribe my channel and share to other and exercise again and again in day-to-day life, and through this way you learn the grammar and improve your English and your speaking power. If you exercise with your friend and with your colleague and in village area, through this way the other people English will be also improved. English play a great role in the development of a world, but nowadays in majority schools and colleges, English paper come in English, and these schools are called universities are in English medium. So I request to everyone, every student of Pakistan to improve your English, and first it is necessary for you to correct your grammar. If your grammar is correct, through this way you will write application very well, you will write essay very well, and you will write your research very well, and you will write your research report very well. Wassalam.